who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. My name is Ms. Ahmed and I am a student of Aptech Learning Corridor. Today I represent my project. My project name is Kamwala app. This is very smart plumbing service application designed to make life easier. Instead of wasting time searching of plumbers, users can book, verify professional instantly through the app. It ensures transparency in pricing, provides emergency support and guarantees reliable services with Kamwala app. Customers save time, reduce stress and get good quality service to their drop steps. Thank you.
Now it's time to represent my Kamwala app. Here is my plumbing service app. Here is my first splash screen. I add the logo, animation. Here is my on boundary screen. I add the three cursor images with add the specific info of this app. You can see the my welcome screen now. I can add three buttons, like one is explore Kamwala, second is registration and third is login. When I click the explore Kamwala button, you can see you can tour the my all app services, like first is handyman, third is third and I add the all services in it, like second is book appointment. You can see user can also appoint the service, like any salons, add appoint each and everything I can describe in this project. Here is the business with Kamwala. You can also work with Kamwala app in add business with him. Now I add the details, and three options are compulsory. As a optional you can add or not as your choice, and I can push the submit button. The info is submitted on admin panel. Now you can see that. Now I log in the admin panel. Admin is login now. You can see the my admin home page, and here is the drawer. Now you can see the business record. I can add this record. You can see here is this record. I can add the IE. I can click this report. You can see the pop-up, all the details when I close, and I can delete also in this app. Now I can sort, I can search each and everything. You can see that. Now again move the user screen. I can also firstly log out this screen, and again add the credentials of user. I add the credentials of user. When I click the login button, user are also login the user panel. Here is the user first interface screen. I can add this. Here is the user panel. I can add the logo, three cursor images, and add why we users, and add this experiences like today experience. View all when I click the view all work services button, you can see all the services. Now I can add the service now. When I click the AC repair service, you can see when I click this AC repair service, you can see open the radar animation, and user also search the worker. Now I can open the worker panel. You can see here is the worker panel, and when I tap to the request tabs, you can see my request is here is now. I can add the choose the time limit. I can choose 15 minutes for going to user service. You can see user panel is changed into the confirmation page, a worker tracking page, like worker also track this map, and I can also use the WhatsApp number of current worker, as I can also use the current mobile number. When I click this button, or auto dial the number of worker. When I click the mark as job done, when I click this yes done, the job is done when I click this button of WhatsApp. When I click this button, also open the WhatsApp number of worker. Now click this job done button. Yes, my job is confirmed now. Now I can again move to the user panel. Here is the services. You can also know the I can add all services of beauticians, hair services, etc. included in this project. All services are dynamically added. I can add this haircut services. When I can add the prices, add appointment button, and I click the time, add the schedule. Each and everything can describe in this project. You can also add the location which services and provided which you want. I also add the Kashi's beauty salon and confirm this appointment. Now workers add the details. Now admin can also reply this confirmation message. Again open the worker admin panel. You can see add the salon confirmation. You can see I can add also this request, and I accept this request. Now worker is accepted. When I click this rejected button, this request is rejected, and I also delete this request. Now see, when I click reject the request, user worker panel have also reject this request confirmation. When I again move to the user panel, you can see I can add also a live feedback chat. User can also add the feedback, and admin or also reply of any user or worker chats. Here is admin panel. Here the user feedback chats. Admin also reply the user or worker chats, add replies, add delete, and added functionality in it. You can see that. Now I am again moved to the worker panel. You can see here is the worker panel. I can also add the credentials of worker. Worker can also, firstly after login, worker can also add details of specific information like his name is like Ahmed, and add service category, which type of category of worker you can add this. When I click this drop down, I want to need a carpenter. Here is the CNIC number, and here is the mobile number, and worker can also submit this request. You can see worker dashboard. Worker is waiting for approval. When admin can also, now admin approve the worker, then worker go to the worker panel. You can see here is the admin Ahmed request on worker panel. When I click this request, worker is approved. When I click this reject button, the worker is rejected. Here is the real-time application. You can also search the sorting numbers like Misbah. You can see search any user and any worker in it. Now worker is approved. Go to the jobs button. Here is the worker panel open now. You can see the all requests. You can add the summaries. Now worker can also see the all requests. You can see 23 notifications. Here is the summary record of worker panel. Here is the wallet functionality, and here is the feedback. Now admin also have the summary record of all worker and users. All the requests are accepted or rejected, and I can also add the graph and services, search services like AC mounting, and add pending, accepted, and rejected functionalities. And worker can also delete this. Admin can also delete this request. Add the dialog button. Delete the request is now. When I click the undo button, the request is undo now. here is my full project of overview. Here is the when I click the worker panel, admin can also go to the worker panel. When I click the user panel, when admin can also go to the worker user panel and log out functionality also. When I again here and admin have also the functionality of logout button. When I click the logout button, the admin is log out now. I hope you both guys like my project. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.